Hey, someone told me I can save for my first home and also get a tax refund? That sounds too good to be true.
Actually, it's true. It's called the First Home Savings Account, or FHSA. And honestly, it's one of the best accounts Canada has introduced.
Seriously? Tell me
First
everything.
of all,
what exactly is an FHSA?
think of it as a special savings account created by the Canadian government for first-time homebuyers. Think about contribute money and your investments can grow tax-free. And if you use the money to buy your first home, you pay zero tax when you withdraw it.
Wait, tax deduction and tax-free withdrawal?
Exactly.
Can anyone open an FHSA?
Not everyone. You generally need to be at least 18 years old, be a Canadian resident, and be a first-time homebuyer.
How much money can I put into it?
You can contribute up to $8,000 every year, with a lifetime limit of $40,000. If you don't use all your room this year, you can carry forward up to $8,000 of unused room to the next year.
That's pretty flexible. So what's the biggest advantage?
Imagine you earn $80,000 a year. If you contribute $8,000 to your FA taxable income, which could mean a nice tax refund depending on your tax bracket. At the same time, your investments continue growing tax-free.
That's like getting rewarded twice. Does my money just sit there?
Not at all. Depending on your financial institution, you can invest in things like stocks, ETFs, GICs, bonds. So instead of only saving cash, your money has the opportunity to grow.
What if I change my mind and never buy a house?
Good question. You can transfer your FHSA to your RRSP or RF without losing contribution room, subject to the applicable rules. So the money doesn't go to waste.
That's reassuring. Let me see if I got this right. I contribute money, I may get a tax deduction, my investments grow tax-free, and if I can withdraw the money tax-free.
Exactly. That's why many people consider the FHSA one of the most powerful savings tools available for first-time homebuyers.
I wish someone had explained it this simply before.
If this video helped you understand the FHSA, and share it with someone planning to buy their first home. And remember, starting early can make a big difference.